Pit of Bones is situated deep within the Sierra de Atapuerca mountain range in northern Spain, near the city of Burgos. It is part of a larger complex of limestone caves known as the Cueva Mayor, Cueva del Cielo system. This area has been a key site for understanding the evolution of early humans. The name Cima de los Huesos translates directly to Pit of Bones in English. It comes from the fact that the site is essentially a natural vertical shaft inside the cave that contains an enormous accumulation of ancient human bones, one of the largest such deposits in the fossil record. The fossils found in the Pit of Bones have been radiometrically dated to around 430,000 years ago, placing them firmly in the Middle Pleistocene epoch. This makes the site over 4 times older than the oldest cave paintings. The human fossils discovered at the site are primarily attributed to Homo heidelbergensis, a species thought to be a common ancestor of both Neanderthals and modern humans. However, many features of the bones show early Neanderthal traits, leading some experts to propose that these individuals represent a population transitioning toward Neanderthals. Excavations have recovered over 7,000 fossil fragments, which have been carefully reconstructed to represent at least 28 individuals. This includes males and females, adolescents, young adults, and fully mature adults. The remains are unusually well preserved for fossils of this age. This is likely due to several factors: the protective cave environment, minimal disturbance over hundreds of thousands of years, and the bones being deposited all at once or over a relatively short period. The site was first identified in the 1970s during cave exploration, but serious archaeological work didn't begin until the early 1990s under the leadership of Spanish paleoanthropologist Juan Luis Arzuaga and his colleagues. In 2013, researchers extracted mitochondrial DNA from a femur found in the pit. At the time, this was the oldest human genetic material ever recovered, at about 400,000 years old. Interestingly, the DNA showed closer affinities to Denisovans, a mysterious group of archaic humans from Asia, than to Neanderthals. Some researchers believe that the bones were intentionally placed in the pit by other humans, possibly making this the earliest known example of funerary behavior or mortuary practice. If true, it would indicate a level of symbolic thinking previously not expected in such early hominins. A unique and finely crafted pink quartzite hand axe was discovered among the bones. Dubbed Excalibur, the tool shows no signs of practical use and appears to have been deliberately deposited.